In the neon-lit streets of Kingston, Jamaica, Davidson was known as a passionate art collector. His mansion housed rare pieces from around the world. But one evening, he stumbled upon a peculiar artifact at a local market, a shimmering, jade-green sculpture carved from an unknown stone, pulsing faintly with an otherworldly glow. Intrigued, Davidson brought it home, unaware that the artifact was no ordinary relic. That night, as the moon cast ghostly shadows across his gallery, strange phenomena began. The sculpture shimmered brighter, and whispers filled the air, voices from a distant, alien realm. Shadows danced and flickered, revealing glimpses of a parallel universe where ancient Jamaican spirits still roamed freely. Suddenly, the sculpture's glow intensified, and a portal opened, a swirling vortex of emerald and violet light. Out stepped a spectral figure clad in traditional Garifuna attire, eyes glowing with cosmic knowledge. It was a spirit guardian, awakened from centuries of slumber, sent to warn Davidson of an impending cosmic disturbance. The guardian explained that the artifact was a vessel linking our world to a dimension where forgotten legends and alien civilizations coexisted. If disturbed, it could unleash chaos upon Jamaica and beyond. Davidson, overwhelmed but determined, vowed to protect the secret. Using his knowledge of ancient symbols and modern science, he sealed the portal, ensuring that the spirits and aliens remained in balance, hidden from the world but forever intertwined with Jamaica's mystical heritage. As dawn broke, the mansion returned to silence, the sculpture still shimmering faintly, proof that somewhere beyond our reality, mysteries and marvels awaited those brave enough to uncover them.